ABC, counting 1, 2, 3, naming different shapes and colors, and so many other things have greatly changed our lives. We thank you, our dear teachers, for your patience, love, and attention, for being our second parents, for molding us and building for us a strong foundation. To all my classmates and friends, I'm very thankful that I have met all of you. The friendship and the memories we have shared will always remain in my heart. To our parents, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for unconditional love, coupled with tears, sweat, and sacrifice. Thank you for choosing this school where I can learn and grow to be a better person. The school year has ended and we may part ways, but the memories will last forever. Thank you and congratulations to all graduates.